Hello, everybody. Mr. Odom here, and we are going to take a look at some problems from section 4.4. You will need your pencil, composition book, or notebook paper to take notes, and you might need a calculator for this video in these problems. The learning target for this video is I can solve two-step inequalities and graph the solutions. So let's get started. So for number 6, two-step inequalities. These are similar. It's similar to solving a two-step equation, which we did a lot of in chapter 3. So I draw my line, and the goal is to get the variable p all by itself. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's subtract 2 from this side, and I'll subtract 2 from this side, which leaves me with 3 times p, and that is greater than or equal to negative 10 minus 2 is negative 12. And for my next step, I divide both sides by 3. And that gives me the variable p all by itself. Since I'm dividing by a positive number, then I am not going to change the direction of the sign. So on the right-hand side, I have negative 12 divided by 3, and that is equal to negative 4. All right, so there is the solutions to this inequality, and I can graph all of those solutions. I'm going to start here at negative 4. There's 0 on this graph. We draw a circle around it. I'm going to go up and to the right, and that's the greater than portion. And then to show that it's equal to 4, I just shade in the circle. And there you go. We're good to go with that one. Let's look at number 8. Let me write this down. Negative 2 is greater than m divided by 6. Whoops. I was going to put plus 7, and I want to put m divided by 6 minus 7. All right. So let's get started on this one. What do I do first? I add 7. I add 7 to both sides. And that leaves me with m divided by 6 on the right-hand side. And negative 2 plus 7 is 5. Positive 5. Now to get m all by itself, let me multiply this side by 6. I can put that over 1. And over here, let me multiply by 6. And the 6's on the right-hand side cancel each other out. So I still have m. And again, I am multiplying by positive numbers, so I do not change the direction of the sign. So this is 6 times 5 on the left-hand side. That's 30. So 30 is greater than m, or I can write it this way. M is less than 30. And we can go ahead and graph this one. So 30, I can put that right there. Here is 0. I put a circle around this. I'm going up and to the left to show less than. I don't color in the circle because it's not less than or equal to. M is just less than 30. All right, so let's move on and let's take a look at number 10. We'll move this down a little bit. There you go. So for this problem, I've got negative 1.3 is greater than or equal to 2.9 minus 0.6 times r. So my first step, after I draw my line, is this is positive 2.9. So it's like I'm adding 2.9 to the right-hand side. Let me subtract 2.9. So I do that first. Subtract 2.9 from both sides. And then on the right-hand side, I will have negative 0.6 times r. And on the left-hand side, I will have negative 4.2. All right, let's divide both sides by negative 0.6. Divide this side by negative 0.6. Okay, so that on the right hand side, notice we cancel out the negative 0.6, so I just have r. I am dividing by a negative number, so I need to change the direction of the inequality sign. So r, now the alligator is going to be eating the r. And then on the left hand side, you can put that in your calculator. Negative 4.2 divided by negative 0.6, you'll find that the answer is positive 7. And I can rewrite this because it might help me be able to graph it easily. R is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, both of these are the correct answer. And you can go ahead and graph this one. I've got 0, here is 7. I put a circle around that. And r is greater than 7, and it's also equal to 7. So there you go. We got 3 problems where we practice solving two-step inequalities. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And remember, bring your questions to class. We can work out problems in class as well. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.